Tell me a little bit about the Habibi Grill here, and then what kind of food you got going on.
Well, we've got Mediterranean Lebanese food. It's awesome. We enjoy healthy food, and it's something I've always tried to convince my spouse into. She's been helping me cook it at home and all these dishes, and she says, I think I could do this on a volume scale. And I says, all right, fair enough. So so we kept that in our minds, and that's how kind of this whole thing kind of started.
You said that you found some family recipes, so this
Yes.
is all like homemade from the heart.
Everything is all authentic. We're here at 7 a.m. every morning and prepping till about 11 o'clock.
What was the vision when you were kind of putting this together?
We wanted a bit of a Mediterranean feel with, kind of that sort of French bistro, cozy little room that once you're here, you just don't want to leave.
So tapas as well. I mean, some people don't know what the term tapas is, so maybe you can explain that.
Correct. Do you want to?
Small plates, big hearts is our slogan.
Yeah.
And really the whole concept here is this food is meant to be shared. And we just want you to have a little bit of this and a little bit of that and have the opportunity to try as much as you possibly can. So we try to keep our prices reasonable and low and just giving you that opportunity to share. But we do a grab and go lunch.
Yeah.
So more than half the menu is quick grab and go, and any other dish can usually be out in under 7 minutes. So it's great for people that have a short lunch break.
So with the tapas, I mean, Mediterranean, Lebanese food, you said that you got hummus, shawarma, fish. What other kind of sort of menu items do you have right now?
One of my chefs, he does a beautiful steak tartare, which is a kibbeh nayi. So we also serve it with like cracked wheat and some really good spices that just makes your mouth water with whatever drink, some Mediterranean ouzo or anything like that. So again,
Our smoked baba ganoush seems to be
Yeah.
the big hit on the menu for sure.
So yeah, we roast our eggplants. I put it on the charbroiler and the whole bit, so creating that smoked flavor. So a lot of the dishes are very unique to the palate, but yeah, we do lebni, we do baba ganoush. All of the dips are phenomenal, and they're great starters. So, and they're not, again, tapas, very small. Small plates, big hearts. People have been challenging me to create really authentic dishes, whether it's from Israel, Spain, Italy, anything that they throw my way. So I'm definitely going to surprise Kelowna with some fabulous stuff this fall.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having us. We really
Thank you.
appreciate that.